Hi, in this video we are going to see how you can start your classes on your Windows laptop as well as desktop. So first of all, you will be getting an email from your faculty team. You can see your email that this is order success and your faculty team name will be written here, and here are your details related to your order, and you can see the app links here. Okay, so these are the link for the Windows software, Android app and other devices link. Now you can follow this installation guide for other devices as well, and if you're facing any technical issue or something related to installation, so then you must be having a technical team number, so you just need to reach out there on the WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all, let's say we are installing here now for Windows app, so just copy this link. Okay, or you can just directly click here as well and then paste it in a new tab. So it will be, this file will be automatically be downloaded, so you can just save it into a new folder. Let's say I save it in this app drive and I create a new folder here, ABC Academy. So you can save it by your own academy name and then just click on save button. Okay, so once it is saved, then you can just click here, go to downloaded location, and then you can see it here. Now on this you need to just right click on it and click on extract all. This is a zip file, so hence you need to extract it before starting. Once you click on extract option, you can see here this is the zip file and this is the extracted option. I need to open this and then you need to double click on this. Okay, so this will ask you to run. Now you need to click on run button here. If you get any blue screen or something, just you will have an option of more info, so just click there more info and then you will find run anyway, then click on the run anyway. It will work. Okay, now once I click on run button, it will ask me whether to create a desktop shortcut. Automatically it will be on. If not, then make sure it is turned on and then click on next button, install, and it will start downloading. Okay, here if you can see that this has been downloaded and it will be automatically on, and you can click on finish button. Okay, now one more thing, this desktop shortcut will be created on the desktop only, so you don't need to start again and again from this setup file. This is only required at the first time. You can close this as well. Okay, and here you can see on the desktop also that the shortcut of your faculty institute has been created, so you can just double click here and open it. Okay, now first of all you need to log in with your registered number which you have used at the time of purchasing. Also, if you do not have access of the registered number, then you can log in with the email as well. Okay, so once you put your number, you will get an OTP. So just put the OTP and then click on the verify OTP. Here you can see your banners, which if there is any has been put by the institute, and here you can see your classes. Now you can go to enrollments from here on the left menu icon as well, and from the down menu icon enrollments. Now after enrollments, then you will find your classes here. So it will first ask you whether you want to register your device, then click on register device. Okay, once I click on register device, I can see all the folders here. Now this is place of supply is one folder, second folder, third folder. Accordingly, if there are multiple folders uploaded by a faculty, then you can see all these here. So let's say I want to start this class, so I'll just select it and click on stream online video.
नमस्कार दोस्तों दुनिया के सबसे जाबाज
Now here you can see some controls that I can just go forward, backward in my video. Okay, and I can control the volume as well. I can control the speed option as well. So we have multiple options here: 1.1x, 1.25x, and 1.75x, and so on. Okay, now there are two ways to stream a video. You can stream it online without downloading, and you can download this video as well. So to download, just click on the download icon and then start download. So this video will start downloading, and once it is downloaded, then you can turn your internet off if you want to, and then you can uh, play this video. Okay, apart from that, once this video is downloaded, I will show you how it will work. It will work similarly, and apart from that, you can also see the PDF as well in your classes. So here I'll show you the PDF. So let's say this is one of your PDF. You can just click on open PDF document, and then you can see the PDF here. Okay, you can zoom in, zoom out, and other things. You can see the PDF, and if this PDF viewer is not working for you, then click on open with alternate viewer. In some devices the alternate PDF viewer will work, and you can see the PDF here. Okay, and once your file is downloaded, you can see it being green, and you can just click on play download
एक्चुअली
video.
उन जमानों में ये जो सत्ता की भूख
Now you can see this is the downloaded video. Okay, I can change the speed and everything, all the options are here. Okay, apart from that, if you're facing any issue or something, then we have a tech support number here also. You just click on it, it will take you to WhatsApp. You can switch to multiple folders, and here if you go to more option, you can see the analytics as well. So here you can see what is the total course views allotted to you, what is the remaining duration, remaining validity and everything, and the lecture and analytics will also come here, which you can see. Okay, and if any new videos are being uploaded in your content, then you make sure to click on refresh content, so your lecture list will be refreshed. Okay, thank you.